Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about mountain biking. The reason why I wanted to talk about this is because I feel like a lot of people are in that stage where you want to work out and you want to burn calories, but you don't want to do the same thing as everybody else and go to the gym. And neither do I. I don't really care for the gym because I like to have fun while I burn calories. So today I want to talk about the first thing, um, mountain biking with mental health. Mountain biking opens the mind. It really does. It's basically like walking. You ever go on a walk and you can talk to the person next to you forever and ever, and like all these different thoughts keep popping into your head? That is the same thing with mountain biking. Whenever I'm really stressed out, I go on a mountain bike ride because it just releases so much stress, and it releases that built up energy, and that's one of the main reasons why you're stressed out. And also, like, it gets you out of that daily routine. Like, changing something up makes for better outcomes. Like, you don't want to live the same life every day for the rest of your life. So I really think that it gets me, and it would get everybody out of that cycle, and it would help them jump out and propel forward in their life. Exercising and mountain biking, you get to burn so many calories. You get to have fun while you exercise. I know everybody likes to have fun, so why not burn calories and have fun? It creates a better life. It really does. You get to be outside in the wilderness. I mean, you can ride with people. You can ride by yourself. Both things work very well. You lose weight very easily. Like, as you get better and better, you lose like a very noticeable amount of weight. There's a lot of potentials with mountain biking. There's so many opportunities. Like, as you go, you might start off as a beginner, but there's so many trails that you can start on the beginner trail, and by the end of the day, you could be doing the intermediate ones. Like, it's not hard, and you get to burn a lot of calories. There's so many different levels. You meet a lot of new friends. You really do. This picture here is actually in Lubbock, and we go out there, and I've met a bunch of guys, and we call each other up, and we go ride for a little bit, and we have a great time, and it's like a different culture. Like I've met like a bunch of new friends, and actually they asked me to go to Colorado and ride with them. So you get to travel the world. These views, this one here, you actually get to ride up against the creek, and there's like little waterfalls trickling down, and there's so much time to think. So I believe that everybody should mountain bike because you get to have fun, you get to exercise, you don't have to go to the gym anymore, and also, if you're having trouble with school and it's stressing you out, you can just go on a bike ride, and it'll like literally take away all of that stress that you have built up. And here's my works cited. Thank y'all.